Hey there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become a Certified Scrum Product Owner, one of the most valuable certifications in Agile product delivery. Whether you are looking to enhance your career in product development or you are a project manager looking to level up your skills, this certification is key. I'll break it all down into simple, actionable steps so you'll know exactly what to do to get certified. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what a Scrum Product Owner does. Before we dive into the certification process, let's quickly cover the basics. A Scrum Product Owner is responsible for maximizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. You are the go-to person for the product's vision, managing the product backlog, and making decisions about the scope and order. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, it's a manageable process once you understand how to align the team with the product goals. Tip: get familiar with the Scrum Guide. It's the official document that outlines the Scrum framework and will be your best friend as you get certified. Step 2. Find an approved training course. To become a Certified Scrum Product Owner, you need to attend a course offered by a Scrum Alliance-approved trainer. These courses are typically 2 days long and provide you with all the knowledge and tools you'll need to succeed as a product owner. You'll learn about defining product vision, managing product backlogs, working with stakeholders, and effectively delivering products. You can find these courses online or in person. Just make sure the course is led by a certified Scrum trainer to ensure it's recognized. Tip: don't rush through picking a course. Choose a course that fits your learning style and schedule. Step 3. Participate fully in the course. Now that you are enrolled, make the most of it. Engage with the materials, participate in group exercises, and ask questions. The course will cover key topics like accountabilities and responsibilities of the product owner, creating inspiring vision and strategic product goal for their products, how to work closely with developers and stakeholders, etc. The more you put into this course, the more you'll get out of it. Tip: take plenty of notes during the course, especially on topics like sprint planning and product increment. You'll need this information for your role as a product owner. Step 4. Get certified. Once you complete the course, you'll be officially recognized as a Certified Scrum Product Owner. There's no exam for this certification, so the course is the key component. After the course, you'll receive an email from the Scrum Alliance with your certification. And congratulations! You are now a Certified Scrum Product Owner. Step 5. Apply your knowledge. Now that you are certified, it's time to put those skills into practice. Start by implementing Scrum practices at your current job or look for opportunities where product owners are in high demand. Update your resume, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and showcase your CSPO certification. Tip: join Scrum communities to network with other professionals and stay updated on the latest trends in Agile and Scrum. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to becoming a Certified Scrum Product Owner. We covered everything from understanding the role, enrolling in a course, getting certified, and applying your skills. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more tutorials just like this one. And if you are ready to take the next step in your Agile journey, check out the links in the description for recommended courses and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your path to becoming a Certified Scrum Product Owner. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.